Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this cute, quick, and easy summer makeup look. So if you're interested in learning how to do this look right here, please continue watching. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids, so I'm gonna jump straight into eyeshadow. And the first color I'm going to take is this color right here, and this is the color Punch Me. And I'm just going to take that color all in my transition area. And the next color I'm going to take is this yellow color right here, and this is the color B. And I'm going to put that on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this Trendy and Tokyo palette. I'll be using this color Karaoke. So I'm going to be taking this other Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using this brown color right here. And I'm going to be using that color right here on my outer V. Alright, so now move on to the face, and I'm going to be using this No Pore Bloom Primer by Touch and Soul. Okay, so my beauty blender is clean, and I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and I'm in the color 310. I'm going to take this concealer by Too Faced. This is the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the color Sand. It's Fenty concealer, and this is in the color 310. Okay, so it's now time to set my face, and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty setting powders. And one shade is Banana, I take where I highlighted, and Honey, I take all over my face. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite part and the most important part of summer, and that is bronzer. I am using the Fenty bronzer. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy set. I'm going to move back to the eyes, and I'm going to do my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to use this eyeliner by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil, and I'm going to line my lower lash line. And I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Snapscara Mascara. Early on my cheeks, I use this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color Golden Flower Crown. And I think for summer, with any highlighter that's like golden, it's perfect for summertime. It just looks so pretty. And I finally got me some lashes and lash glue at the same time. Like, I'll always be having one without the other. Like my first video, I had lashes. No. On my first video, I ain't have no lashes, but I had lash glue. Then my last video, I had lashes with no lash glue. Now I got both. Alright, so my lashes finally decided to go on. And now I'm finna do my lips. And I'm finna use this lip liner from Milani in the color Saucy Toffee. Now I'm finna use this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And I almost forgot, I'm gonna add a little bit of inner corner highlight. And alright you guys, this is the final look. If you like, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!